Hello everyone, we have arrived in Greenland. Welcome to Nanortalik Cruise Port. Ships are moored or anchored when in cruise port and passengers are tendered ashore, about a 20 minutes tender ride. Nanortalik is Greenland's most southerly town with a population of around 1,185. In Greenland, there are no roads connecting the towns, so all transport takes place by plane or by ship. We just got off the tender boat and are excited to explore this beautiful town.
Holy cow, that's Titanic size.
Oh, it's bigger than Titanic.
Yeah.
Nanortalik is located near the mouth of the 70 kilometers long Tasermite Fjord and is surrounded by natural wonders. The name Nanortalik means place of polar bear or place where the polar bears go. On a rare occasion, polar bears can be found floating on ice just off the shore of this small island. When traveling over shorter distances outside the towns, the locals use their own boats, dog sleds, or snowmobiles. We are thinking of doing a boat tour excursion, and we are looking around for local tour vendors. The red building in front of us is Nanortalik Tourism Service. It is the nearest shopping area for souvenirs and handcrafts as you get off the tender boat. There also have tours available for those who are interested. Here is a quick look at what are available inside here. Just a side note, there are also lavatories for use inside this building. Other creatures great and small also make their home here. Besides being the gateway to climbing, hiking, and sailing, it is also a rich fishing ground. Seals such as the ringed seal, hooded seal, and harp seal are common in Nanortalik's fjords. We are going to check out the building in front of us. Seems like a store where you can get groceries and daily essential items among many other things. If you are hungry, pastries and cakes are also offered here. If you are looking for souvenirs made in Greenland, here are some of what you can bring home. Handicrafts and trinkets handmade by the locals. We find that the people here are very friendly.
Hello.
Hello.
Such a beautiful dog. Hi. Take a picture. A nice picture.
Yeah.
We are entering another store. Lots of snacks available here too. Besides food, you can also find a variety of goods for sale. Nature may be the premier attraction, but there is also a deep culture and rich history for visitors to experience. Visitors can delve into its Greenlandic culture at the Nanortalik Museum or watch the waters offshore for seals and whales. For centuries, Greenlandic music has been played on drums made from polar bear bladders. You can still witness drum dancing on festive occasions, as well as hear local choirs performed at the community's church throughout the year. We are now making our way to the church. Built in 1916, the church has a distinctive style and a unique architecture. It is a wooden, Danish Lutheran church and is located not too far from the center of the town. We are exploring the surrounding grounds of the church. It is nice that they have placed several benches along the way. Amazing scenery awaits here. The colorful houses, the boats, the clear water make up such a beautiful picture. From August until October, minke whales are frequently seen near the opening of the Tasermite Fjord, and occasionally, humpback whales and orcas can be spotted. For a glimpse into Greenland's colonial past, you can visit the Nanortalik Museum. It is the largest outdoor museum in the country. Comprised of 9 separate historic buildings in the old harbor, a tour of the site's wooden, rock, and half-timbered structures provides insight into its earliest settlers. The tall green grass bushes, the wild summer flowers, and the many boulders of various sizes gives this place a very rugged look. As we walk up the grassy slope, we get to see a panoramic view of the spectacular Bay Area. Continuing our walk and admiring the beautiful scenery as we go along. Glad that the weather has been pretty good so far. More stunning views over here. You can get a 360 degrees view of the village up this flagpole viewing platform. We are short of time and giving it a miss. Popular cafe in this town. You can get refreshments inside this cafe. Outside the restaurant, we see locals raising funds for kids' education by selling homemade cakes and coffee. The cakes tasted delicious, and the hot coffee definitely helps to keep our body warm in the chilly weather.
So when you're in Greenland,
there are also opportunities for visitors to try some Greenlandic cuisine. Inside the restaurant, this gentleman very kindly introduced the various dishes to us.
Caribou, seal, salmon, cod, wolffish, cured salmon, whale blubber with skin, seal kidney, raw, fermented whale blubber, seal blubber, dried whale, and dried cod.
Oh, okay, wow. Very exotic. Yeah.
Okay, this is hop seal porridge.
Oh, seal.
So the ribs have been boiling here.
Oh, okay.
Here is a drone view of beautiful Nanortalik and pictures of its spectacular landscape and friendly people. Hope you have enjoyed the walking tour with us. have an amazing iceberg boat tour video coming up soon and hope to see you again. Thank you for viewing.
Dead